Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back. Oh my god, crooked. Okay, tuna episode fishing with DYang. We are out here in Oshkosh again, out on the T-dock fishing for catfish. You guys see in the video, we've been crushing it. It's been fun. Daylight showing up now. We do have overcast, so which is great for recording. Thank God. Yeah, Danny's already what? Caught 3, 4. 3. So, and I caught 1. Today we're gonna focus on catfishing. I really want to bring my brother out to do some catfishing. He has never really done it, and he's doing a great job. First time on a bait caster, first time sending the hook, so it's cool. So with that being said, just stick around, and I'll see you guys on the next bite. Stay tuned. Yeah, you got him, dude. You got him? Yeah. Lift it up high. Keep your rod tip up. Yeah. Let's go, dude.
Oh, it's a small one. Oh,
it's okay.
Oh,
no, just keep going. You gotta keep up. Keep going. Keep going. It's strong, dude. Keep going, bro. Keep going. Lift it up high. Lift it high. See, they're strong, right? Oh, no, they're just fighting. They just come right at you. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Hold on. Hold on. Hold it tight. Hold. Okay, there. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh, this thing's weird.
Keep going, keep going. It's okay. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Lift him up, lift him up. What is it? Oh, it's a catfish, bro. Bring it in. Just swing him under, right? Here. So like, here, I got you. Just go like, there he goes. Yeah.
My first ever catch.
That's a big one, dude.
Nice.
Holy, dude, not even 5 minutes. That's crazy. Okay, turn off your lamps on it, man. Hey, look at that. Show us the photo for the camera, bro. Just throw them in there, yeah. They're tough fish, so. Oh, jeez. There you go, dude. Yeah, I see. That's the most exciting part. Oh, dude, that's a fish. Tighten it, tighten it, tighten it, tighten it. Lift it up, tighten it real hard first. Let me get out the way. Ready? Sit. Oh, dude, what you do? You didn't even tighten it all the way, bro. Reel it. He's still on. He's gone. Yep. He's gone. You gotta tighten. You gotta tighten it all the way, dude. Yep. Until it locks. Keep going. You keep rolling. You're good. Yep. You didn't fight so hard. Keep going.
I think it's a small one.
No, they're running at you. He's smart.
Oh God.
He's fighting now, right?
Oh God, he's fighting. He's fighting.
Keep your thumb on the line. Keep your thumb on the line. Yep. Hold the whole reel. Yep.
He's fighting.
Let me go get the net, dude. Alright. Just chill there, yeah. They don't fight too hard at night because they're not too scooped. Okay. Ready?
Dude, I seriously thought I already.
No, he's big. Bring it in. That's a nice cast, dude. So click the button. Click it. Keep your thumb on it though. Click it. That's a nice cat, bro. Holy cow, dude. Look at that thing. That's a nice channel right there. Wow. Good job, Danny.
Oh yeah.
Freaking killing it. It's 2 fish in like 15 minutes.
Yeah, dude. It's a good eater.
Yep, it's a perfect eater right there.
Alright.
Wait. Yeah, reel it tight. He's on. Wait. You gotta feel him pull your tip down, okay? You gotta feel him run with it. You saw it, huh?
Oh, it was so slack.
Just wait. You gotta feel your rod tip go like that real hard. Like Titanic.
I think he's on.
Yep. Okay, go set it. Yeah? Yep. He's on nice, dude. Really, keep up with it. Keep going. He's running right at you.
Yes, he is.
Nice, dude. Hell yeah.
He's running towards you. Oh, that's a small guy.
You don't know yet. You'll start digging soon. Watch. Keep going. Okay, slow down.
Yeah, I think it's a small guy. Yeah, he's not fighting.
They're good fighters. Just let them go under the dock. And again, just swing it on it. So keep your line. Yeah. They're slow. And whoop. Just like that. Yep. Tip. Just like this right here. And handle. Yep. Yeah. Watch that guy. Just watch it. It'll go high. It'll start going ham. It'll go ham before sunrise. Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, that's me.
Mine and yours, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Oh, dude, he's on, bro. Tighten it, tighten it, tighten it. Hurry, hurry. Got him. I'm on. Double up. Yeah, he's on. I think he's on, bro. Nope, nope. Yeah, next one. Is he on?
Super alarm.
Look at him. You see my rock? Oh, dude's a big one, dude. I think it's a good guy. He's playing real slow. Oh, yeah, he's on, bro. Set the hook, bro.
No,
no, you did it too hard.
No.
Too hard.
No.
Oh, this is a nice one. I need the net. Yeah, just bring it back in. This is a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Oh, shoot. Holy run. Oh my gosh. Not that big one, just fighting. He's not big, but he's fighting. Getting it done, boys. Alright guys, we're back out here doing catfish things. Look at this.
Wow.
That is a nice beauty
That's
fish
funny.
right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let me see. There we go. Nice little early morning cat. Doing the dirt. Put it back in the water. Just hold it, just hold it. He slacked the line, so he should be on. He's on. Yay, let's go.
Oh god, you're lying, you're lying.
It's okay.
Should I go this way?
I don't know.
Yeah. Oh god. Oh god.
Oh wait, there we go. You're on. You really hit. Keep going, keep up with him, keep up. Now he's fighting, right? Now he's pulling.
This way. I'm already tired.
Nice, dude.
I don't know if I want to keep doing this.
Just stay in the camera. So they fight when they get to
God.
Oh, look at this one. Hey, when he does that, just let the line go. Hey, I got you. Don't bend the rod too much. Okay, don't bend too much. Look at it. That's a nice one. Yeah. So when you loosen it, right? So make sure there's no tension. And then just roll it, let it go. And then click it. No, click it with this.
Oh,
There you go.
okay.
Stick the rod on there. Dude, he brought a line with him too, bro.
Yeah, he did.
Alright, there you go. Nice fish. Let it focus first. There you go. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I love
Oh
that.
my god, it's me too.
You too, yep. Wait. Got him. Oh, dude, that's cool. Just wait. I think I spooked him out. Oh my gosh. There you go. That's what I'm talking. Yeah, I got it. I just need the net though. Just lure it out yours, man. Don't worry about me. He's off, right? Yeah. You see that? He's not coming out. I'm trying to keep him like out of the rocks. It's insane, dude, how strong they are. Alright, net. Daddy, get the net! Oh, he's digging, bro, he's digging. That's a dandy one right there. Oh, jeez.
Oh my god.
Might be a double, bro, might be a double. Whoa, sturgeon! You saw that?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, it's a drum. Sheesh. That's a dandy drum right there. Damn. He looks like my forehead. Oh.
Bro, that is your forehead. We found your forehead.
Oh yeah. There you go, guys. Yeah. That's a big one. See how it clears up like that?
Yeah, you want to take
more? Nope, it's okay. Alright, it's bleeding, so it's gonna get back in the water.
Yeah, that's
Oh!
Yeah, my hand's slippery, bro.
Oh, and he dropped it. Wait a minute. Ah, he's on!
You got it? god.
Oh my god. A dandy fish. Come on, come out, dude.
Come on, girl.
There it is. It's a nice one too.
Oh, oh.
Whoa.
Oh.
She's gone. She's gone. Look at her.
Oh. She's not coming out.
Oh.
Look at that. Come on. Yeah.
Something that big, but they fight so hard.
Ugh.
There you go.
Yes.
Woo! They're the same size. This is the same fish. These things are a great eater right there. Look how fat they are. Look at that.
Got like my forehead.
Alright, see ya. Hook sets. Whoa, he's on. If he drops that, that's crazy. Oh, he's on, bro. Set it, set it, set it. Yep, you're on. Keep him in. Keep him in. Real high. Dude, your rod's too loose, bro. Your rod's too loose.
Come on, girl. I can't. Wrong time.
I'm surprised he's still on after all that slack. Alright. Oh, it's a big one. That's a nice one.
Bro.
Would it be a bluegill? Oh, it's a nice one, bro. Dandy. It's not a big one. It's a dandy one. Oh, there you go. That's actually a nice one, bro. Look at that. That's a nice fish. Look at the head on that thing.
You want me to?
I'll show it to the camera. Just watch that guy. There you go. There's Danny's cat right there. That's a nice fish. Wow. Alright, guys. Catch and release. Nice slack, dude. Hold the spool. Set it.
Okay.
You're good. Dude, you're not even tighten. No, don't tighten it. Don't hold the spool now. Let it go. Yeah, there it is. You can't hold the spool and reel at the same time. Go, reel it, reel it.
I can't.
Is that a big one?
Bro.
You need to switch?
No, I could do this. Oh, he's fighting.
Yeah, I don't think lose it. It's a big one. Really, keep it tight, keep it tight. Keep it high, high. Lift it up high, lift high. Don't stop. You good?
Yep. He's still fighting.
Huh? Oh, it's dry. Oh, it's dry. Let him go, let him do it. Over here, there you go. That's a big one. Oh, whoa, no wonder you slipped. Oh, dude, it's huge. Get over here. Yes. Oh, that's a double. That's a double. Let's go. That's a double, dude. Good job. Oh, chill. Guys, check this out. Danny just caught himself a giant cat. Danny, come here, Danny. Get in the picture.
Oh man.
We're at zeros, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're at zero. Okay, we're at zero.
Oh.
That's a 10-pounder right there. 10-3, 10-2.
All right.
You got yourself on double. Let's get a picture. Drop him in there. It'd be good. They're so feisty. Man.
All right, baby.
Oh, that's a giant. See? Double digit coming in. Shrimp. Oh shit.
Oh my god. Here. Go.
Oh my god. Turn on your GoPro.
It is.
Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh my god. He's not coming out. Oh, it might be a flathead, bro. Stay on, please. You see it?
Yeah.
He's not coming out.
Come on.
It might be a flathead.
This might be the fish we're looking for.
Oh my gosh. He's not coming out there. Is it a rock? Oh my god. He's not coming out. Look at this.
Oh my god. It's right there.
Stay far.
It's there.
Stay far.
Yeah, it is.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
That's it.
Oh my god.
Bro, he's not coming out. Look. Oh.
Oh.
No, he's still there.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That's him. I'm shaking.
Oh my god.
He's gotta stay on the rocks. He's not coming out.
Oh
No, he's stuck.
no.
Oh, there he is.
Yes, there he goes.
I'm gonna let him run.
Come on.
Oh no. He's stuck.
He's still there. He's still there.
Look, see, look.
He's just hiding. Let him run.
Oh my gosh. Oh no.
He's not getting out.
That's a big
Come on,
fish.
come on, come on, come on, come on.
This is what I mean. My rod's not made for this. There he is. He's out. He's out.
He's out. Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you, Lord.
There you go, there you go, there you go. Come on. There you go. There you go. Come on. There he is. There he is. Right there. Right there.
That's not gonna fit him, bro. You're gonna have to grab him. Oh, it's a giant channel. It's just a giant channel.
Oh my God.
Whoa.
Screw it. Whoa. Oh. We got it.
Unbelievable match. She, whatever, was stuck in the water. I mean, stuck in a rock for like how long, Danny? Like 2 minutes?
Yeah, over 2 minutes, yeah.
Gosh, biggest channel. Oh, look at the head on this thing. Look at the head. Oh my gosh. What the heck just happened? Look at that thing. Wow. We're gonna go ahead and weigh this thing. Get it back in the water. Holy smoke.
Huh.
We're at 0. Okay, focus.
Yep.
Oh! Really? Come up here, come up here. 16.3. What is this saying? It's moving.
16.2. 16.5.
16.5?
Yep, 16.3.
Okay, around the 16.5. We'll just say 16. Oh my gosh. Beautiful channel. Holy cow, this is the battle of my life. Alright. Oh my god, look at the head on that thing. Woo! That's insane. That is insane. Look at the belly on that thing. Oh gosh. It is tired out, as I am. I thought the other two I caught were big the other day. 16.5. Unbelievable. Wow. Dude, that was huge. Holy cow. I don't know what just happened. Alright guys, so I think we're gonna call it quit, right Danny?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's got cold, windy, cloudy, and just not having any luck. So yeah, we're just gonna wait around maybe 5 more minutes, go home. It's only noon. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was awesome to catch that giant channel cat you guys saw in the video. Danny helped me land it. It was awesome, loved it. That's what we came here for. And now we can only go up. Let's look for some more bigger channel in the future. I don't know where, but I think I know where. If it make any sense. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys out of the water.